Hello guys, welcome to today's video by Trust Stanley, and this is a TS Tech Talk video guys. So guys, on today's video I'm going to show you how to add filter to your photos while uploading them on your WhatsApp application. So this is actually a new update. If you don't have it yet, go ahead and update your WhatsApp application, and once you have it updated, let's dive in. So I'm going to open the WhatsApp application by clicking on WhatsApp, and then I'm going to come over to the status section. So as if I'm going to upload any image, let me select this particular image. Now you notice this image has been selected. Now to add image to the filter section on this area, all you need to do, you notice on the bottom section where it says filter, go ahead and drag it up. When you drag it up, you notice there are different filter. When you select the pop, you notice the image changes. When you select B and W, you notice it changes. That B and W means black and white. When you select cool, this also changes. But I think this is actually going to be more relevant if you're actually making use of a picture or so. So once you're done, click in the middle or anywhere in the center of the image. Now click on send. The image will be uploaded to your status. And now let me go ahead and click on a different image. I'm choosing this particular one, adding a filter. I just want you guys to notice the difference. You notice the color between the eye and the image, you notice them changing. So that is actually how it changes. So go ahead and add anyone you feel that is actually cool, and then click anywhere in the center and then save it up. So that is all I want to show you guys on today's video. I hope it's helpful. If it is, please smash like and subscribe to the channel for more video. I will see you on my next video. Please stay safe guys, and peace.